Video on vented rotors that are curved, that have internal vanes that are curved. You can see these are curved. If you're not sure, put a screwdriver. If they don't go straight down vertically and they angle like that, then you know it's a curved rotor. If you have slotted or cross-drilled rotors that are in any type of direction, the internal vanes always take priority, not the direction of the drills or the slots. So those are the most important for exhausting heat. You really want to get heat away from the center outwards, blowing outwards, not pulling air in and being trapped somewhere in the hub. So just to illustrate, this is the front of the vehicle. Imagine the wheel spinning forward and the curvature of the vent is pointing towards the rear. That's when you know you have it in the right direction. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Thank you.